Kitchen in SM Sucat here in Paranaki, the suburb of Manila in the Philippines, and I'm about to have lunch. So let me show you what 200 pesos, or roughly about $4.90 Canadian cost. You want to get your bottle of water, get yourself a nice hot little sandwich. Kitchen. Probably bastardized it, but very good sandwich. Very good sandwich. Nice and crispy, toasted. Lots of flavor. Got a bit of cilantro and veggies into it, just really kicked it off. B, yeah, this is B side. Next to Starbucks. Small little spot, but pretty good.